Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today we're going to do the carpet cleaning test on this Roomba 504 robot vacuum cleaner. So I really like that it has LiDAR navigation. It does a really good job of mapping your house. After it's done mapping your house, it's going to vacuum in nice straight lines. We got some really long hairs here. We got some coffee in the carpet. We got a cable on the ground and a kid's toy. We're going to see how well it cleans this carpet. Okay, we're going to see how well it cleans up this carpet. We got a bunch of hair on it, some kids' toys, and some obstacles. Now it is able to vacuum in nice straight lines. I've got it on the highest suction possible. And again, because it has LiDAR navigation, it's able to go in nice straight lines. So we're going to see how it does with that cable. So it did recognize that cable and it's avoiding it. It's going to go around it now. That cable is really hard to recognize. That's doing a really good job of staying away from it. Now in the app, we can see right where it's cleaning, and we can see there's the obstacle right there. All right. All right, so there's the long hairs. Looks like it did vacuum some of them up. Now it looks like it's recognizing the toy also. So good. Looks like it has really good obstacle avoidance. It kind of turns that side brush into slow motion when it senses an obstacle. See, the side brush now is spinning quicker. When it senses there's an obstacle, it kind of puts it into a slow turn. It's actually doing a pretty good job of vacuuming. Yeah, this carpet was really dirty. So it's still sensing that cable. It's going to avoid it. Wow, it is vacuuming pretty good. And I've got it, it's going to do 2 passes on this room. Now on the second pass, it's going to go left, right now, where on the first pass it went up, down. So it's doing an excellent job of cleaning this carpet. Yeah, it's pretty well clean. Okay, when it's all done, it's going to return to the docking station and auto-empty the dustbin. There's another vacuum going to kick on inside the dustbin that's going to suck everything out of here.
Dustbin.
Okay, here goes the empty. Here comes the auto-empty system. Okay, that is a little on the loud side. Let's see exactly how it did. Now again, everything auto-emptied through here into that dust bag, and that dust bag you're gonna have to replace about every couple months. So let's flip it over. Let's see, did we get any long hair wrap there? No. We do get it on the brush rollers though, as we can see, and there's a little bit of dirt and debris down there. So on the brush rollers, we do get some long hair wrap. Let's take a look at the dustbin. Yeah, there's still some stuff inside the dustbin also, and the trap door got a little stuck open. So I really like that this robot has LiDAR navigation. It vacuums in nice straight lines. I do like the Roomba app. In there you can do no-go zones and separate the rooms and put it on a schedule. And I like that you just have to change the dust bag about every 2 to 3 months. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.